Where are you from? Hong Kong. You never eat all this?
It looks like worm.
Yeah. Let me take this one then.
It's chewy.
It's chewy. Oh man, what is this? Woo. Yeah, this is chicken. I like your shirt. Good. DC Traveler and Missy are in Bangkok, and now we are going to a night market called Ratchadam Market. It's next to this mall that you saw. That mall is called Esplanade Mall. If you want to come here, you can look for Esplanade Mall on Google Maps, and then right next to it there is this road that goes to the night market, and that's the market. Here we're going to have dinner and do some shopping. We've seen a market very similar to this in Pattaya, where we had some exotic Thai food. I will not mention what we had here. I'm linking that vlog in the description. In fact, all the vlogs are linked from the description. You can find it and you can watch it. But for now, we are about to enter, and here we are. We don't want to have fruits right now. We are here for dinner, and of course something that you only get in places like this in Southeast Asia. We've already had a scorpion and a spider, but there are more bugs to be eaten for the environment, like Harold Boulder did right here in this market. We watched Harold's video and we looked at the market name in his description, and that's how we decided to come to this market. We found a shop where they are selling some bugs. We've not had all of these items. Okay, let's take let's take one of each. Missy, you will also have, right?
Yeah.
So we'll take two of each. You want to have?
Enjoy.
How much for two of each? 100. Okay. Give us. All right. Only 2 piece. Each one of them 2 piece. Okay. Not so much. 2. We can share some with you. We are not having dinner here. Where are you from? Hong Kong. You never eat all this? Yeah.
Right, this one, bigger one.
Yeah. We'll have it.
How much?
Now how much? Not 100. Okay. Good price. All right, Missy.
Where do you want? Here.
Are you going to start?
Why not?
Wait, let me just hold it for a second. I will open it like this. Oh man. All right. Let Missy start.
Which one should I start?
Try any one of them. You can hold it with hand also. It's fine.
Nah.
Oh, Missy is so quick. Missy doesn't want any anticipation also. It's fine. All right. Let me have one now. Yeah. Now DC Traveler's turn. Oh, this is too small.
It's a big one then.
Let's see, what is it?
Even I don't know. Maybe those I told you not to check it.
It's a small grasshopper.
Maybe.
Okay. This was not bad.
Let me see.
You having this one now?
It's here. It looks like worm.
Yeah.
No, it's that. What is it? Yeah. You are on my camera.
Oh. Let me take this one then.
It's chewy.
It's chewy. Oh man, what is this? Woo!
It's a grasshopper.
How to eat this? Let me start with the legs. Legs are fine. Now, should I do the tail? Guys, so far it's fine because I've had a scorpion. It's not like I've not had any bugs. Although it was not easy. The spider also was not easy, but I've had it. Okay, now this is something new. The body. Let me have the tail. I'm not liking this taste. Not liking this taste.
How is it? I eat it.
Ah. Okay. Let me keep chewing. Let me take the big one now. Ah. Look at this. Look at the wings also. Do you see? Actually, people like this one. Which one is your favorite? Your favorite? Which one? No, your favorite. He's not understanding. I'm asking him which one is his favorite out of all these.
This one I like this. This one is favorite. Yes.
This one, right?
This good. Yes.
Good.
There's no weird taste.
Everybody likes that.
But it's, everybody is good. But I like this. But this one is favorite. It's good.
Which one is your least favorite?
This favorite. I think this one is this favorite. Yes.
This one?
Yes.
Okay. I think I'm done with this already.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the one I had.
Okay.
Least favorite. Yeah, I can understand why. I can understand why. Huh? Yeah, it's that one.
It's bitter.
You want?
葱啊，快手啊，快手，
It's good.
直播呢。哦，
Oh, YouTube. You want?
吃了放把牛，
人家就快手，人家也快手，快把牛。
So much pressure is here.
ना तो दे सकते हो मैं ना
That is good actually.
तो मैं
Oh, you like this one? Oh, there were so many people surrounding me. There's so much pressure. I put it all in my mouth.
Oh, that's good.
哎呦，
Yeah? Give me some more. Now I'm having this one. The scariest one is done actually. This is fine. Okay, now there are many small ones. I think we're done. We're done. We've had all of them. Well, it's because I had a scorpion and a spider, and a couple of times they were about to come up. So I've gone through that experience. So my brain has gotten trained now. So, except for this monster here, others were fine, not that bad. I could eat it. Alright? Which one? That one?
That one.
Okay. Right now, that girl was calling us, right? We told her that we'll come later. And then she gave us a look as if she didn't believe that we are going to come. So let me find that girl. Let's have the dinner here. Good that the Thai song is playing. Okay. Alright guys, now we will wait for the food and then we'll show you the food. It's very noisy, but it's everywhere. So, you know, there's another music playing there. So we can't avoid the noise here. Hopefully our voices are audible.
I think those insect grasshopper that we just now, they are normal, not like what that we had, scorpion. That was on another level. This one is not.
These are normal for you, Missy.
Yeah, we had before.
Yeah. Normal for Missy because in her village, they used to work in the jungle, so they do a lot of work in the jungle. So as a kid, she used to go there, stay there for days, and they used to catch insects and have them.
It's like a song competition. Who is more louder?
We are not having too much food here because we also want to have some dessert and something else. If we find, we'll have that also. So for now, we'll begin. Is it chicken? I don't even know what this is. I said chicken. Yeah, this is chicken that Missy wanted, the fried chicken. Thank you. Let's open our disposable chopsticks. Oh, this is sticky rice, Missy. This is proper sticky rice. Let me first taste the chicken and tell you. They do add sugar in everything. It does have a sweetish taste everywhere. I think it's egg. It's tasty. You see sesame seed, the spring onion, the normal onion, and some Thai sauce. I can have it with this also. Mango rice. Ah. Let's have it. Yeah, bring it. Let's have the mango rice also. Now I'm handsome, huh?
You come from?
Come from India.
Handsome.
Handsome. Alright, so we'll skip on the dessert then. We'll have more rice. And this is a mango rice. This rice looks even stickier. Well, I was thinking this is sticky rice. And it is. But here you can see the glue also. How to pick up mango with this? Just slipping away. Well, I give up. with the chopstick as far as mango picking is concerned. What is it? That's some kind of sweet sauce. And let me sprinkle this also, since they have given. It's called moong dal in India.
Other people are saying, not me.
Oh.
Is it this one? Because this is
I think this can become a dessert. This is a dessert, Missy. Does it include the mango rice? Yeah. Included, right? Yeah. Okay, good. Thank you. 475. This one. I like your shirt. Very good shirt. Shirt. Good. Huh? It's a uniform, right? So let's do some shopping before we leave this market. How much is this? 200 baht. That's 500 rupees. 500 rupees. You want it? Elephant.
It looks good, but no.
She's wearing it the leg. She's
Same.
beautiful มันจะมีหลาย
I thought here.
แพทเทิร์นมันมีหลายสี
I thought in the
แบบ
hand.
นี้ก็มีแพทเทิร์นนี่ตัวนี้แซม
In the leg.
สวยๆ
She's speaking Thai with Missy. She's thinking Missy is Thai.
I understand.
อันนี้ข้อมือ
Hand. What these are for hand?
For hand. See, it says here ankle.
แองเกิล
Oh,
This is
okay.
hand.
beautiful
How much for this?
you can try ได้นะ
How much for this?
60 บาทนี่
50.
beautiful อันนี้มันเป็นเซม
Missy has also learned to sing like them.
ซื้อ5แถม1แบร์ไฟเก็ตไปคัสเซมนี่มีแค่
I don't
Missy,
understand.
take out your bargainer if you want to buy it.
มีตัวนี้นะมีไส้กรอก
Necklace.
ฮะไปปะ
20. I'll give you 10 baht.
เมดไทยแลนด์ thank you ขอบคุณค่ะ
Wait, okay.
ได้เย่
10.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ
บ๊ายบาย
Bye bye. Alright. 150 baht.
แขวนในรถในห้อง
T-shirts.
น้ำได้ครับ ในห้องนอนได้เจ้าของเปิดแรกมากินจะแรงกว่านี้
It's too short.
ใช้อาบน้ำ
Yeah,
ได้
that is true.
อันนี้จะ
Let's look for a longer one. What about this pants?
Yeah, look for something here.
How much are these? This one, 350 baht. 350 baht.
350.
Yeah. Color.
Okay. It's a skirt or pants? Skirt.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a skirt.
What about this? I like it. I don't want short one.
You don't want short one?
Let's look for this.
Okay,
one.
come this side.
What about this?
That's nice.
How much is this one? 390 baht.
390 baht.
Yeah, 390 is insane.
Okay. You like this one?
Yeah, it's looks good. Color. I need 3 colors.
Pick the color then. I like that color.
This one.
Yeah.
Even I like because light color, no. You have to watch it now and then.
Yeah. Let's take it then.
The size will be fine. Size only one size. Three size. Three size. This one here. Oh. Okay. Three size. This one.
There's belt loop also in case. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's take this one.
She said 370.
Okay. So she's getting discount.
One is 350. Okay.
Okay. Missy, you could have done more. But anyway,
Okay then. I thought they were fixed price everywhere.
you learned your lesson here. Okay.
Next show.
Yeah. All right. You hold it. I'll take the money out.
Because it's my first time now bargaining here. It's my first time bargaining.
Yeah.
That's a nice part that I must.
It was a very easy bargain. Kapun kap. Kapun kap. All right. Yeah. We've had our snack, our dinner, our dessert, and we've done the shopping as well. So if you liked it, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget the beautiful bell icon as well. There is more to come from Thailand. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.